Months, people living near the Potomac River in Montgomery County have been pinching their noses. So we're talking about residents in Glen and Cabin John. They say this foul sewage smell from the Potomac interceptor collapse is still lingering in the area.
Yeah, so with hotter weather on the way, some fear it could get even worse. Here's Sarah Robinson with the story.
On cooler spring days like today, the smell is noticeable here, but residents say on warmer days like temperatures that we saw in the 90s, it can be downright disgusting. Now they want more to be done so they can go back to enjoying their homes.
Why does it still smell?
I always open the window and it's putrid.
The odor is as worse than it's ever been.
For people who live in Glen and Cabin John, they say summer is usually the best time of year, especially along the Potomac. But this year, many say the smell of sewage has taken over.
The biggest smell is coming off the Beltway when you're on Clara Barton, and it's just a terrible stench.
Last week, DC Water, the Maryland Department of the Environment, and the Montgomery-County Health Department hosted a town hall on the Potomac interceptor collapse. The massive pipe collapsed in January, sending more than 250 million gallons of sewage into the Potomac River.
Also, when you're walking on the towpath down that way, by Lock 8 and 9, of course, right about where it was.
Residents brought up one concern again and again. The smell still hasn't gone away. Alexis Faringa lives in Glen and used to love walking her dog Zoe along the towpath, but now she avoids it.
It's just not nice to be down there. It's just terrible.
The cause? DC Water says the odor control system that helps filter sewage smells near the collapse site is currently out of service, so crews are using alternative methods to try to reduce the odor. DC Water sent WUSA 9 a statement saying, in part, quote, "We have also begun chemical dosing, adding treatment to the wastewater to break down odor-causing compounds, which is especially helpful during warmer weather when odors can be more noticeable." They did not give a timeline as to when the ventilator will reopen, but people here say they look forward to a resolution.
When they get the ventilator up and working, that's going to be good.
DC Water is currently seeking the public's input on their environmental restoration plan. To weigh in, you can visit our website, WUSA9.com. Reporting in Cabin John, I'm Sarah Robinson, WUSA 9.